Hello guys! Happy Halloween! Halloween! Dia das Brujas! Brujas! Okay, I only bought 5. I'm getting smarter day by day. I'm gonna use this one centavo. 1 centimo. Centimo escudo. I checked this online, guys. This old coin. You can sell up to 98 euro, if I'm not mistaken. This coin. What year was this? 1982. 1982. Okay, so my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, they have a lot of escudos, guys. Because my mother-in-law was a hoarder. I was because she already passed away. And she had a lot of coins. She even she has coin from Brazil. What year was this? Oh Jesus, this camera. What year was this? 2008. Nice, new. 25 centavos. It's in English. Brazil use English. Okay, Brazil. Maybe we went to Brazil. Okay. Where is this? This one. This centimo, guys, is considered rare coin. You can sell up to 98 euro. 98 euro. Okay, online. Okay, so this is Halloween tickets, guys. I have ticket number 21 to 25. Halloween tickets, because today is Halloween. Okay, so I bought 5 Halloween tickets. Okay, so matching number. This one, if the number match in the main game, I could win 10 times the price shown. We are looking for, in Portuguese, numbers 28, 11. 28 and 11, obviously. 39, 33, 36. Ay, 11. Winner, 15. 22, 34, 37, 23, 20. What's D? D for 5 euro? Wow. It's a nice win in a 2 euro ticket. And the win all? Win all, not win all. 25. No, 25. Okay, so 11. 5 is not bad, guys. No 28. Just 11. Okay. 11 is not bad. Okay, so 20 is a winner. 5. Let's hope this is also a winner. We're looking for 29, 30 ohm, 29, 31, 36, 11, 32, 27, 34, 15, 18, 13, 16, 19, no, 10 times, 17, meu Dios, 16, 15, 18, no, 17. Okay, so I just need one more win. For me, it's as long as I don't give donation, I'm fine. We're looking for 37, 37 and 13, obviously. 19, 27, 35, 17, 28, 26, 15, 38, 37, 22, 31, nada. Win all, 23. Not win all, 10 times. 93. Let's hope this is at least one more win. Dia das Bruças. Bruças, guys, means witch. Day of the witches. Plural. Okay, we're looking for 19, 39. All the 9, all the 9. And give me all the 7s. 35, 28, 16. Ay, 39, winner. Winner. What's M? 15. 33. 19, 2 wins. Wow, I found 2 wins. 39 y 19. ¿Cuánto? Oh, meu Dios. 2. Y 2. For euro, of course. And 10 times? 13. Of course, no 13. If there's 13, then I win 10 times. Okay, so I got 9 euros so far. 9 euro, 39. No, my 5 plus 5, the first ticket. Okay, so I got 9. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Let's scratch the numero magico, the size, 10 times if it match here. Let's hope we can find one more win. 13, 32. 24. 28. Give me the size. 36. 17. 22. Ay, 19. 30. 18. Nada. Ay, 31. Backwards. 38. Oh, Lord. Coffee money again? Only I gave I gave €1 donation to Portugal Lottery today, so not bad, guys. 13, 32, no 13, no 32, no 16. So, but I got €9. Not bad, guys. I got €4 here, 4, €4, my 5, no euro. Not bad, guys. So, only €1 donation to Portugal Lottery. €1, dosang para Santa Casa. Not bad. Nada mau. In Portuguese. Nada mau. Okay, €1 donation is fine, guys. Coffee money, of course. Happy Halloween to everyone. Enjoy your Halloween today. Okay, so I got €9, not bad. I spent 10, gaste this, and I won 9. Gagné 9. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.